Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote and Laser here. Going to do another combination project today. It's going to have some laser etching, deep etching on a slide, and then Cerakote. So it's one of our patterns that we developed. We call it Tablerock camo. I'm only going to show a little bit of the laser because it's kind of repetitive. Once it starts digging in, it just takes a long time. And one side looks like the next. And there was a lot of spraying in this video, so wanted to kind of get ahead of that. So it's been degreased, it's been gassed out at 300 degrees for an hour, sandblasted at about 45 PSI with a metering valve, blown off, and it's ready to go here in the booth. We'll get that sprayed, probably 2 or 3 colors. I'm thinking maybe the rubbed gold look, and then clear coat. So that's about it. It'll be a pretty straightforward project, but it should take some time just because of all the laser etching that has to be done on it. Appreciate you watching. There'll be pictures at the end of the final project. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your laser, stencil, and Cerakote needs. Have a great day.